The Hyundai Santa Fe has been around for more than 2 decades now. People know it. They're familiar with it. Well, not anymore. This is the all-new Santa Fe. It's bigger, it's better, and it's boxier than ever. The all-new Santa Fe comes with just 2 drivetrain options to make buying easier for your indecisive friends. If you want to save some money and help out Johnny Polar Bear, the 2 entry trims come with a 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid. If Johnny Polar Bear is too far away for you to worry about and you want some extra comfort, the next 3 models come with a 2.5-liter turbo. Both of them come standard with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. And, new for this year, every new Santa Fe comes with an extra row as standard for 2 more passengers. More standard features include a hands-free power tailgate, adaptive cruise control, remote start, and of course, Hyundai's 5-year warranty. Now, obviously, the new Santa Fe is very different from the old one. And one of the ways that its change is most relevant is with this model here, the XRT. That's right, Hyundai has thrown its hat in the off-road SUV ring, joining the fight with the likes of Jeep, Ford, and even Range Rover. This XRT is the entry model for the vehicles equipped with the turbocharged 2.5, and it comes with a few tricks to help it stand out in a crowd and go where no normal Santa Fe has gone before. A 1-inch lift, chunky go-anywhere tires, unique and tough wheels, an exterior grab handle to reach your roof racks, an increased towing capacity, and body cladding to protect from rocks and rogue shopping carts. Inside this unusually aggressive-looking Hyundai, you'll find power-adjustable leather seats, which have 3 heating levels, along with its leather-wrapped steering wheel, now with 2 heating levels. You get a power moonroof, a wireless phone charger, wireless phone projection, dual-zone climate control, and more cup holders than you will ever need. Despite this being the tough, off-roady, go-anywhere package, this XRT model is actually comfortable and quiet. There's very little road noise from the chunky tires, and the beefy off-road suspension offers comfort in a variety of terrains. In fact, if I press this little toggle down here, I can choose between on-road drive modes and off-road terrain modes. This tells the car's computer to set things up for me so that no matter what conditions I'm driving in or what terrain I'm driving on, I have as much confidence as possible. Now, obviously, most of the time the new Santa Fe will live its life on paved roads, doing your commute, running errands, so practicality is a big factor in the new Santa Fe, not just this one's off-road prowess. But Hyundai's got that covered as well. With the 3rd row up, the rear space is limited, but this gives you more rear legroom if you're in the 3rd row and are older than the age of 9. If you do need more room for your groceries and nuclear warheads, you can fold one or both rear seats down and add a significant amount of room. As we will now see, using this cutout of hockey star Connor Bedard. The middle row gets some love as well, with this 3-person bench in most models, but with 2 heated captain's chairs in the calligraphy. Overall, the interior is great. Screens are crisp, and the presence of actual buttons gives me hope that the future isn't all touchscreens and haptic feedback. All in all, I love this new Santa Fe. I like its looks. I like its size. I like the way the interior has been laid out. I like this one's chunky wheels. But most of all, I like what it represents. It's a bold new step and an exciting new direction for Hyundai. The Santa Fe went from a car you've seen blending into traffic to one that stands out in it. Put one in your driveway now and stand out in a market full of cars built by people too afraid to try doing something new.